Every 3 seconds, an aircraft lands using our world-leading instrument landing system. The Normarc ILS provides guidance to aircraft during landing, ensuring safety, reliability, and efficiency, even in the toughest weather. At Indra, it's the people who bring the technology to life. We are the experts behind the world's most trusted instrument landing system, bringing decades of experience, passion, and innovation to every ILS we deliver. Behind every safe landing, there's a dedicated team. With over 2,200 installations in 120 countries, it's our proven track record that makes us a global leader.
We optimize performance even at the most demanding locations. This means we tailor our solutions to difficult terrain. We offer reliable products for harsh climates, anything from hot deserts to very cold regions and coastal areas with high salinity. We take pride in always delivering cost-effective and reliable results.
Our commitment goes beyond advanced technology. At Indra, we provide a full range of professional engineering services like site analysis, installation, commissioning, flight inspection support, along with comprehensive training.
With advanced simulation tools and decades of experience, we ensure operational stability, robust engineering, and compliance with the strictest international standards. Normarc ILS. Precision in every approach.